Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you a video about this truck because this truck will start up, rev up, and die immediately. And so I want to show you a cost-effective way to fix that issue, and so that you can be up and running again in no time. So stay tuned. First things first, let me show you I will show you now what the symptoms of the truck are that when it starts up and when it tries to start. Once you've determined that your vehicle has this issue, what you want to do is observe the inside of the motor compartment and see if there is anything that could be causing issues, from disconnected sensors to frayed wires or anything else that could be obstructing or otherwise altering airflow. And once you've done that, it's then time to patch the hole that you put in the manifold with a pickaxe. You're just going to want to use some regular duct tape for this part. Be sure to cover the entire hole that you put in the manifold with a pickaxe, and be sure that if it goes all the way through, that you also patch the underside. This is not something you want to cheap out on. This is where you're going to want to really use some good duct tape. Be sure not to tape anything unnecessarily, because it's possible that more air could escape into the manifold, causing further issues. Once you've completed that step, it's time to test the vehicle to see if what you did, that the patch for the manifold worked. And that, friends, is how you fix the motor on a T100 that will only start, rev up, and immediately die. I hope that this has been incredibly informative and hopefully helpful as well, and maybe even educational for you, and that you will consider subscribing to my channel, because I will be uploading every video every weekend, all summer long. So thank you for being a loyal watcher and subscriber, and I will see you in the next video.